Hello, sock monkeys. Hello, Reese. Hello, Anna. Hello, Daisy. Hello, Harbor. Hello, Clark. Hello, Cooper. Hello, Colson. Hello, Hunter. Hello, Aubrey. Hello, Kensley. Hello, Isabel. Hello, Josiah. Hello, Charlie. I've got another book for you guys. This will be perfect for this great warm weather we're having. It's called Beach Day. Let's see what it's all about. Waves roar, rush and soar, rolling, crashing to the shore. Sparkling spray, jeweled array, water skiers on their way. That looks like fun. Sandy knees, foaming seas, insects dancing in the breeze. Noon light shimmers bright, in the distance hot and white. Bat, ball, mitt, it's a hit. Leaping, running, lickety split. Look at all the fun they're having. Voices chatter, sand pails clatter. Off to lunch, the children scatter. High clouds flurry, sand crabs scurry. Hungry swimmers in a hurry. They're all coming for lunch. Chicken legs, deviled eggs, what a banquet a seagull begs. Have you ever been to the beach and not seen the seagulls hanging around when you're getting lunch? Waves lapping, babies napping. On the water, sails are snapping. Launch a boat, help father float. Build a castle with a moat. Lots of things to do at the beach, huh? Lots and lots of things. A freckled nose, sandy toes. Ocean's salty breeze blows. Sometimes it's nice just to dig your feet into the sand. Let the breeze blow on you. It's so relaxing. Let's see. Time to pack. Picnic sack. Bright beach towels in a stack. Oh, it's time to go home. Late afternoon, supper soon. Families march across the dune. They're all packing up to go home. Sun-warmed skin, contented grin. What a happy day it's been. Oh goodness, everything you need for a day at the beach. Can you look at that? There's lots of things. There's an umbrella, seagull, sand pail. Oh, there's a beach ball. I see a bathing suit. Do you see bathing suits? Yeah. We have a beach towel. Oh, if you want to take a baseball and a bat. There's a cooler for your lunch. How about a hat? Do you guys wear hats at the beach to protect your face? Yeah, it's a good idea. I hope you guys get to go to the beach soon. It's Memorial Day weekend, so I'm thinking maybe this weekend or Monday you guys can maybe get out and see the sun. All right? You guys have a wonderful weekend. I most certainly will be missing you and thinking about you. Hugs, love, see you soon. Bye-bye.